Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question is a bit longer and it has C part. In English is said, students in a school listened to the news read in the morning assembly that the mountain of garbage in Delhi suddenly exploded and various vehicles got buried under it. Several people were also injured and there was traffic jam all around. In the brainstorming session, the teacher also discussed this issue and asked the students to find out a solution to the problem of garbage. Finally, they arrived at two main points. One is self-management of the garbage we produce, and the second is to generate less garbage at individual level. So the self-management and producing less garbage at individual level. So the question says suggest any two measures to manage the garbage we produce. As an individual, what can we do to generate the least garbage? Give 2 points and list two values the teacher instilled in his student in this episode. So it is a value-based question. Let us see what the solution says. The solution says for A part that incineration, waste compaction, biogas generation, composting, segregation, and safe disposable vermicomposting. So if you write any two of them, you would manage to get full marks for the A part. The second part says that we can reuse empty bottles, books, etc. Reduce the use of non-biodegradable substances like polythene, thermocol, etc. And C part says that awareness about environment, what teacher instilled in the students, scientific attitude, concern for community, health and personal health. So we all know that we should create less garbage, maintain it, and what we learn from this.